Hello friends, in this captivating video, we open our hearts and our home to these Bodri birds and the experience is nothing short of extraordinary. Join us as we introduce you to these remarkable birds who have chosen to be a part of our family, living freely within our household. Watch in awe as our little helper Ryan takes on the role of caring guardian, ensuring that our feathered friends are well fed with seeds and provided with fresh water. The bond that forms between Ryan and Bodri birds is truly heartwarming. These beautiful creatures bring boundless joy and amusement into our lives. And in this video, you will witness their playful antics and their affectionate interaction with our family members, especially with Jacob, my husband, who seems to have a special connection with them. But what these Bodri birds enjoy most is spreading their wings and taking flight. They soar through our home, showcasing their natural grace and agility. Their love for freedom and adventure is truly contagious. Join us on this enchanting journey as we share these unforgettable moments with our newfound friends. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more heartwarming wildlife encounters, and share your own unique experiences in the comment below. You won't want to miss the incredible bond we have formed with these magnificent birds. Thank you. Bye-bye.